4 essential AC maintenance tips to keep your AC unit running smoothly. Tip number 1, clean or replace your air filter. First things first, your air filter is the unsung hero of your AC unit. A clogged filter not only reduces airflow, making your system work harder, but it also compromises your indoor air quality. I recommend checking your filter every month, especially during those dusty spring days, and replacing it at least once every 30 days. Tip number 2, clean the condenser unit. Next up is your outdoor condenser unit. Over time, leaves, debris, and even that stray flower pot can block the airflow around your unit, making it overheat. Give your condenser a good cleaning this spring. Simply remove any debris, and if you have a garden hose handy, a gentle spray can clear away any stubborn dirt. Just be careful not to damage any fins on the unit. Those little details help your system breathe easy. Tip number 3, check your thermostat settings. Now let's talk about your thermostat. With spring around the corner, you might want to reprogram your thermostat for the upcoming season. Check that it's set to a comfortable temperature and working properly. If you're still using a manual thermostat, consider upgrading to a smart thermostat. These nifty devices learn your schedule and adjust temperatures automatically, which means more comfort and energy savings. Tip number 4 might sound a bit technical, but it's super important. Inspect your system for refrigerant leaks. Your AC relies on refrigerant to cool your home, and even a small leak can reduce efficiency and lead to costly repairs. While it's best to have a professional handle any suspected leaks, you can look out for signs like a drop in cooling performance or hissing noises near your AC unit. If you suspect a leak, give your local HVAC service a call before it turns into a bigger problem.